Hi, it's Jessica again. I wanted to show you something that I've been working on today, and that is a communication and meeting log. A few people had requested something similar, so I thought I'd try to kind of put together something that might help you stay organized, help communication flow, and help you keep track of student communication or parent-guardian communication and meeting logs. So everything on here is done through Google Forms and Google Data Studio, which is really nice because although I charge a fee for setting it up, once it's set up, it's free for you. So you don't have to worry about sustaining it. It'll be free until you decide that you no longer want to use it. Even if there are tweaks that you want to be made, I can send you a quick how-to, and you should be able to make those tweaks yourself. So I'm going to start by logging something using this Google form. So if it's done through a school domain, then it'll automatically collect email addresses. I'm going to go ahead and put my email address in there. I'm going to choose grade level 9. That's the grade level of the student. And I am going to pick Leah, and I made contact. Date, it's today, so I can leave that blank. I can go over here. 2:30 p.m. is when I made the contact. I talked to the father. We talked through phone call. Yes, I received a response. It was a great call. Typically, I would leave more notes, but the cool thing is that you can go ahead and decide whether or not you want to notify caseworker, advisor, principal, AP, the teacher or the student's other teachers, or if you just want to add another email address in there, you can do that as well. So I'm going to click submit. And then it's going to automatically send an email to the people that you have checked to notify. So one of those people is this caseworker email that I've set up. So you can see that I have something there about Leah Wade, and it talks about that. It was talks about the contact. It was submitted by, date, time, who you contacted, contact type, received a response, and note. So all of that automatically gets sent to the people that you check off. The other way that you can use this, submit another response. Let's do grade 10. We have the list of students, and check off Tim, and let's say we had a meeting. So we're sitting in the meeting. It is today, so again, I don't have to worry about that. It started at 3:45 p.m. Who did we meet with? Well, the mother was there, the grandmother that was there, the caseworker, the advisor, and then you can put other staff here as well. And then what kind of meeting type was it? It was an MTSS meeting. We can keep track of all the notes here, notes. And again, who do we want to notify? Well, the caseworker and advisor was there, but we do want to copy the principal on it. And click submit. Again, this is going to send a similar email to the principal. I do not have it set up as automatic emails. I have it set up on a timer right now, as just to avoid having so many. Was interrupted by a tiny little 3-year-old for a second. But anyways, I have it set up to where I have to push those just because I was worried about my email getting overloaded as I was trying different things. But you can also have it set up to where it automatically sends after every log is entered. So that's what I would do for you. So then all of that goes to this custom dashboard, and you have all the communication and meeting logs here. So I'm going to refresh this because we just put in a couple logs. You can see that it added those there. We have 4 contact logs and 3 meetings. Here are all the contact logs, all the information there, and all the meeting logs. The cool thing about this is that you can narrow it down. So let's say we only want to look at 9th grade, or maybe we want to look at a specific student. So let's look at Benny. We can also, let's undo those filters. You can also look at submitted by. So if you have a list of teachers, you can check to see which teachers are logging for which students. You can also select a date range. So let's say you want to look at only the last week. You can do that here. You can go up to this week to date, or this week starting Sunday. You can say last 7 days and apply all of that. you can change within this dashboard. And the good thing about it is it only changes for your view. So it does not change for all the other people that are looking at it. You all have your own view. You're not messing anything up. It's all disconnected from the actual data itself. But yeah, reach out if you have any questions or any feedback. I love when people give me new ideas about these kind of things. I really enjoy putting together these type of dashboards in Google Forms. So if you have any new ideas, let me know. But otherwise, enjoy and reach out to me if you would like to get set up with it. My email is jessicalane8817 at gmail.com.